Good day, everyone. Welcome to part 6 of our series focused on configuring transactional replication with an always-on availability group. In this episode, we are diving into how to relocate the snapshot folder to a new location. Especially, it is useful when the current snapshot server is nearing retirement. Let's get started. So till now, what we have done is we have added this new nodes DIS3 to the distributor cluster, and then we added that to the always on availability group, and then we have added that as an distributor as well. And as far as pub3 is concerned, we added that to the publisher cluster, and then we added the user database that is part of always on availability group for pub3 as well, and then we have propagated pub3 as a publisher. We verified the always on availability group and the replication, and everything is working fine. So now the requirement is we have basically failed over the always on availability group to have DIS3, PUB3 as the primary. Okay, as far as the distributor setup is concerned, DIS3 is the primary replica, and PUB3 is the primary replica as far as the publisher setup is concerned. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the snapshot location from the existing one to a new one. Yeah, the reason why I'm going to do that is let's consider a scenario where your current snapshot location is on a server that will be retired soon. Yeah, in case if that is going to happen, then what will happen is if we don't change the snapshot folder location, it could cause issues at a later stage. So we will have to do that in a situation wherein the current snapshot location is going to be unavailable in future. Yeah, so now just to mimic that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the existing snapshot location to a new one, and then we will take it from there. Yeah, so now let's go to the publisher server and then look at the current snapshot location. Yeah, so if I do a right click on the publication and click on properties and go to the snapshot location, DC/repl data is the current replication snapshot location. Yeah, and if you see here, pub3 is the primary replica. Yep. And then as far as the distributor is concerned, DIS3 is the primary location. Let's refresh that, and then let's have a look once. And if you see here, DIS HE is primary as far as DIS3 is concerned. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this command and then going to change from the current replication snapshot location /vac dc vac repl data to vac dc vac repl data underscore new. Okay, the command that I'm going to use is on the primary distributor server. I'm using the command sp underscore change dist publisher. Publisher is the pub3. Pub3 is the primary replica for the publisher server. And property working directory, I'm changing it to the new location. Yeah, let's go ahead and execute it. And if you see here, this is now changed. Let's go back to the publisher server and then let's verify that once. Let's go to the replication folder. And then let's right click on the publication and click on properties. Then go to the snapshot tab here. And if you see here, the location is changed now. Previously it was vac dc vac repl data. Now it is changed to repl data underscore new. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Jai Hind.